Today I'm here with a new thing, that is adding RGB lights or multicolor LED lights in your PC or desktop. By that you can make your PC look like a gaming one, no need to buy extra RGB light fans or something like this. So let's see my PC first. This is my PC, so I will open my this CPU at first. First, in any kind of PC, any kind of desktop, you will see two things. That in some PCs there will be this kind of nuts to open this case, and there will be two nuts like this, and in some there will be a screwdriver system, and all of those are same like this. There is also a screwdriver nut system like this. So let's open this one first. This is very easy, just you just twist it, or if these are very tight you need to use a screwdriver. There is a star screwdriver, so just twist it like this. Add a nut, and this one in my PC, this one is a little bit tight. See, it takes a little bit tight, but in some pieces those will be very much tight, so you need to use a screwdriver. And these nuts are tight actually because of the case wants to come outside. That's why you can do one thing, you can put the case like this and then you can easily open those. Now opening the nuts after, then we will just have to slide this one like this. Let me show you. It will just slide up like this. You can give pressure also, no problem, but don't give much pressure or else your case will get bended up. So let's bring it out. So as you can see, I have added some multicolor lights. Some of you will be thinking those are RGB, but no, those are not RGB. But some of you use much money to add RGB fans, RGB lights, so no need of that. If your PC case is like this, only some hoods, then you can easily see some coloring lights outside. And if your PC is set it up in table also, you can see, like, let me turn on my flash. Okay, I will show you that the light also comes out from this side, and the whole CPU gets lighted up. So you can also use these lights to light up your PC. Now I will show how I did this. You can see this is just my drawer, small drawer. These are the RGB lights that I use. These are not RGB, these are multicolor. These are 3 volt and it can run up to 5 volts of light. As this is multicolor, it always changes the color, so it can run up to 5 volts. So what I did just is took a USB cable, any kind of USB cable like this. So I just cut it up this little portion of this, and there will be if you charge if the USB cable is of your charger, then there will be 4 wires. If that is of an amplifier or MP3, then there will be 2 plus minus. And if this is as this one is of my mobile charger, so it has 4 pins. In case of 4 pins, there will be plus and minus. You will get that the plus will be red and the minus will be black. So connect this. So let me show this. So remember, in case of LED lights, any kind of LED lights, the bigger one, as you can see, there are 2 pins. The one is bigger, one is smaller. The bigger one will be the plus. Remember, the bigger one will be the plus and the smaller one will be the minus. And if you don't have this kind of pins, and if those pins are labeled, then see this one. As you can see, there are 2 things inside this. The small one means there is a small thing and there is a big thing. The small thing will be the minus and the big thing will be the plus. Sorry. In case of you, if those pins are labeled up, then there will be 2 things. The small one with the plus, remember, it's just the reversal. The small one with the plus and the bigger one will be the minus. So it's easy to understand that the plus minus of the light. So just I added this plus minus of the light, and you can add 10 or 20 many lights you want, but I have added 3. So let's see how I fix that up. Now I am going to show you how I did that. Now I haven't given any flash so that you can see that it works really. As I said the light also comes from this side. As I gave one light facing to this one, see, the light is also coming in this side. As you can see, it just looks nice. And now I will show how I added this. See, there is a cable like thing that has came outside. Actually, I added this USB wire. The USB wire I showed you, I added one of this USB wire from here and cutted the thing, and there is a space to enter the light. So I entered the wire from here and added the lights here, one facing to this one, another facing to the CPU fan, and another just for normal uses. Oh, this is not working. No, it disturbs a little bit. Okay, now it's working. So it will not hamper your PC running or anything. But if you want if you don't want any kind of USB wires from the outside, then you can add. See, there will be many pins that in the front panel there are USB ports. So if you want, then you can add these lights from this front panel USB port, then it will all work also. But you need to careful about the plus and minus. So that's for today, and as you can see, it looks nice. And if I give the cover, and then also let me show you. Yes, so putting back this cover, you just take the cover and see there will be some hooks. See, 1, 2, 3. There will be many hooks in any kind of PC cases. So in mine there are 3 hooks. So just slide it up like this. But see, if you add it from the last side, it will not work. Just take it from the front side. Bring it to the front side like this. Okay, now it will easily set it up, and just push it in the front side, then it will get fixed up. So that's you to take the 2 screwdriver pins, 2 nuts, and just put back in the holes where we took it from. So you can also use a screwdriver for fixing it up. So that's for today. Hope you see, as you can see, the PC is looking nice a little bit. If you have arc light, then it will look more nice. So as you can see, the light comes from here, from there, from there, and by the way, it looks nice. So that's for today, and many days I haven't made an audio tutorial. So in my next video, it will be for audio tutorial. That is my promise. So that's for today. Goodbye. See you in my next video.